Hey there, it's Jess from Head to Toe Health. We're going to do some rolling through the glutes today using a ball, a softer kind of ball. This is a Franklin ball, but you can use something about the size of a grapefruit, just something that's got a bit of give into it. So putting that under the center of the glute there, just roll around a little bit, just get some familiarity with any tight spots through the glute. Give that 30 seconds or so. Once you find a spot that's a little bit sticky, a little bit tender, hold on to that spot. And then just do a few leg movements with it. So we're going to bring the foot out, then back in, sliding it. Just monitor what you're feeling through the glute there. So for me, coming out, that takes the pressure away, but coming back in puts more pressure onto that spot. So I'm going to hold it in that position, and then I'm going to just rotate the leg out to the side. So once again, looking for that tender point. This just changes the fibers that are affected. And this is probably the tightest point for me. So I'm going to hold there, 7 out of 10 intensity. If it's too much, I'll just lift a little bit off the ball. And we're going to hold that for 60 to 90 seconds. Once that's released, you're going to keep moving through that same glute. We're going to choose 3 spots out of the glute to work with. So that whole buttock area. When you find another one, leg back out and in. If you do get to the point where your leg is out quite stretched, then you can just roll the leg over from there. So for me, this point is more with the rotation through the leg with the leg straight, so I'd hold in that position. So if you do 3 of those points in each buttock, hold at a 7 out of 10 intensity for 60 to 90 seconds, you'll get a nice release through the glute with that one.